chat. I'm sure there's people over there who've said stuff. Maybe it didn't go live yet. What's up? What up, what up? There we go. You look at so many charts, dude. You're telling me. Honestly, I'm just gonna nuke this whole chart because all these are locked for some reason, and it's annoying me. I don't got patience today. There we go. ILV, another one of those kind of similar to what I was looking at. Zen, not down 100 billion% like Zen, but really, really low, even for the chart. ILV hit under 38.16, so actually traded to a new all-time low, unless there's more history I'm not aware of. Traded to an all-time low this month. A little bit of upside in September, 8%. But you can see here, that is a tiny little ant candle, man. On the quarterly, you see it's all the same. Looking at it though, maybe 38.16 was the entry, right? Maybe that was it. Price isn't too far away from there now, so it's not like the rocket ship, if it is a rocket ship, is left or anything. Let's see something here. Let's see what a trade might look like on this bad boy. Nothing. Look at that. Look at it. Savage, dude. Even like the fibs like doesn't really line up with much. I guess right here are 0.5, $73. That wouldn't be a bad target. Gives us like a 2.5 to 1. We can move this up, make it a 3. There we go. You can see this. I could see a short taken from 73. I could see this long played all the way to 141. If everything just turns around at the same time, that might be the upside target. A little hopium. Break 162 without setting a lower low, and you might be looking up here in this 400 to 800 range. 20x, 10x, 20x. I don't think that is a good bet. Not in the short term. Let's see. The way this is moving, I think you can get an entry at 38 again. I think you can get an entry at 38.16. I don't really know what to do from there. You hit an all-time low just a few days ago. You've started an uptrend, slightly higher highs and higher lows on the day, but like, this is a knife. A knife is, it's just a knife. High risk, potentially high reward. Not a play for me though. I like that. The 200's coming on down to that 73 target. I think that's not a bad, I don't know. I'm not taking it, but I don't think that is the worst of the trades that we're going to look at today. There it is. HG copper. Just copper, regular copper. I did want to look at metals today. I did want to look at them. Love copper. Interesting. Some of you might remember back in August, I said something about, I saw an article about the biggest copper mine going on strike. And I was like, I bet copper is going to go up. It certainly wasn't the most exciting rally, but it is starting to play off here. Copper might have a bright future. Let's see. Let's see what the cards say. 70. Copper's not bad. So like copper specifically, I don't know like how I feel about it, right? But then you look at gold and you look at silver and it's like, how could you think that copper won't benefit, right? Gold all the way up, blasting new all-time highs, hit 2,672. Whoa, what's playing? Is this copyrighted? It sounds copyrighted. Yeah, well. Big old trend line finally hitting on gold. Zooming in, look at this. Look at this wick. Ooh. So my question basically is this. Is the top in for gold? or is it about to just go fully parabolic? I don't have the answer. I do know what they would look like. Likely they would look like this if we're rejecting, and that line keeps moving depending on the time frame because it's so far apart. September closing underneath the trend. October obviously selling off. That's probably the rejection. Maybe you find support at 2,400. Maybe you come all the way down to 2,000. At the moment, I'm going to obviously be looking for the upside, and that's going to probably look like a close, I would say even above this month's high that it's already set. Then into the next month or two, back testing that trend line, breaking its high, and honestly entering a parabolic gold state, something I never even thought existed. There is a lot of reason though to be kind of skeptical of that. Gold's measured move, 2,662. That 40-year trend line, roughly 2,600, maybe say 2,700, right here. There's a lot of reason. Gold has been moving only up. This is a monthly time frame. February, March, April, May, June, July, just up. Everything was rallying into March. Then it fell down after March, stocks, crypto included, but gold just kept pushing. I don't know. I don't know, dude. It's hard to imagine a world where gold is just gonna like double over the next year, but that, I guess we'll find out very shortly. Silver on my radar as well. The reason being, we made this chart just kind of out of shits and gigs on one of the Discord nights. Pickle was there. I made it for you, I think, Pickle. We looked at silver versus gold, and we saw it. This was last month. We saw that it was at the bottom of this, what looks like a flag or a channel, whatever you want to call it. We saw a wick close red, and I said, man, silver might be moving back to the top of this trend line. So this is kind of weird with the decimals. It'd be like a 20% gain. But silver absolutely looks bullish over gold, yet gold all-time highs. So let's look at silver. Here we go. Here we go. Silver approaching May's highs here, 32.50. We're going to zoom out. That's beautiful. Look at those monthlies. Higher low, reapproaching the highs. Silver to what? 34.6. We already got the back test of 30, so we might skip that. Silver could be set up over the next few years to go to all-time high. Something like this. Weekly looks good, man. I would not bet down on silver. Not a chance. Not personally. Well, that was uneventful. I just wanted to look at those charts. Here we go. Bitcoin. We opened the stream with nothing looks good and nothing was good. Trading lower than when we started, which is actually kind of rare because usually nothing happens when we start. We're about 40 minutes in. Bitcoin has only traded down. Has anything changed? Not really. Maybe some div on like low time frames here on this low. 15 still looks like crap. 30 still looks like crap. Maybe I should start streaming in the middle of the night because that seems to be the only time we move up, and I like streaming when we move up. Would you guys watch me if I streamed at 4 in the morning? I wouldn't. I wouldn't blame you. I wouldn't either. Nope. No trend touch. Nothing. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it's just chat time. It's chat time. What's up, chats? I see you over there on the vertical stream, on the mobile stream. I see you boys. What's up, Anon Solaris? Biddy is the new gold. Awesome channel. You know, earlier this year, I was like, stocks are the new Bitcoin because they were going up. They were setting all-time highs. Bitcoin was doing nothing. Now it's gold. I don't know. Bitcoin is the new Bitcoin. You would because you're in a different time zone? All right, Lars. All right. You'd be the only one watching? Yeah, fair. I mean, I'd be watching. That'd be two of us. What's up, Seek and Hunt? MD. Shakot Hosan. You're Bangladesh? What's up, Bangladesh? Shout out to Bangladesh. Do I think gold will go down? NWO, that's such a bajillion-dollar question, right? Such a bajillion-dollar question. A number that's not even real. There's a lot of reason to think gold will either go down or at least make a retracement here. Gold does not tend to make these big stretching, grasping moves. This is more Bitcoin. I am a little jealous. Like I said, I've been jealous of stocks this year. Now I'm jealous of gold. This is the Bitcoin move, right? It seems like they've stolen our mojo just a little bit here. You can say, well, what about this big span? Well, this was the ETF, the gold ETF. What if Bitcoin ends up looking like this for 10 years? That would be the slowest, probably most boring climb, but it would be very green. I don't know, man. That's too big of a call. It's just too big of a call. I could just be like, I think it's going to go up because I like being bullish, right? But I don't have any reasoning, really. You're at a resistance. You're at a crazy trend line. You're at a measured move from your fib, from your local move before it. There's a lot of reason to not be betting up, or at least to tap the brakes on betting up, if that makes sense. Maybe you just wait. You lock in some profits around this area up into 2,700, and then look for a retracement. Look to play a support on the way back down. Hopefully it holds and get yourself back in at a lower cost basis. I don't know. Long-term bullish thing. What's up, Quarter Crawler? How you doing, bro? Let me see who's here today, actually. I see you, Sunships, with the super chat. Thank you. I won't forget it this time. But let me shout out. Saw Ace, I guess, who just left. Petra, Castins, what's up? Seek and Hunt, Sin, awesome channel, Virtual World. Over on the mainstream, we got Ace of Hearts. What's up, brother? Good morning, Alchemist, a lot of vagina, Anon Solaris, CO2, 𝐂𝐨𝐿, Craig Bowen, Crypto Sharknado, Crypto Ace 33, Foxy Thorny. What's up, Foxy? Jen Will, how you doing, Jen? The beautiful Jen's here. Jose Montilla, Lars Larson, Line in My Pocket, Mike Bennett, Milkman, Philip J. Fry. What's up, Map of Success? I see you. Shaq with the combo. What's up, Shaq? Stymie, Sunchips, the Crypto Launch Protocol, Pickle, Tony Rosas, and Up and Run. Not the spiciest day. Am I a Benjamin Cohen fan? I thought you'd never ask. This is a Benjamin Cohen shirt. I got it in Nashville. It's actually a really nice shirt. Doesn't really look great on me, but it's very comfy. I didn't realize it's absolutely covered in my beard. Bro, I'm an idiot. There's so much hair on this. Oh, crap. Good thing the camera hides the imperfections. Let's see. What else are we looking at today, guys? What's up, Philip? Gold, the new Bitcoin. Someone just said that over on the vertical stream. Mirror that shirt. Now then I'll be looking away. It won't feel right. You just seen LFG, thought it was on the mic. Oh, yeah, no. The mic shouldn't have any. It's just my shirt. Tron, all right, Caspa. We haven't looked at Tron and Caspa in a while. You take them. Yeah, I'm not feeling the energy today. Tron. Doing Tron stuff, man. Tron was so exciting. This just is like how crypto works. Whatever is the most exciting thing that's like jamming, rocketing, it always then has a period of just like absolute boredom. Tron was reaching up to all-time high, came very close to at least its high of 2021, 18.4K. It hit 18.4 cents. It hit 17 cents last month and now has done virtually nothing. Virtually nothing. Biding its time. I'm sure I placed potential entries here. 14 cents though on the month looks great, right? 382 retracement. It's right there in your February close. You had resistance there again in July. You broke it last month. It would be a great place to move back to and back test, but I don't know if we see it yet. Yeah, 14 cents. We'd have a long place there. Sweet. Beefy weekly. Beefy weekly. Oh. Man, that doesn't look good though. Support, resistance, lower high, break, back test, resistance, reject, higher low, lower high. Yeah, that's a sideways mess right now, isn't it? Absolute sideways mess. I would not be interested in buying Tron at 15. 14 minimum. I think 14 could be a great entry though. I think it really could get a solid play. We have the trade placed here. It's been there for a while. I don't know if I like this target though. 16-1. Here we go. Yeah. All right, let's go to Caspa. I haven't seen Caspa in a while. Caspa. Doing nothing. So many charts are just doing nothing. It's grinding. It's painful. If you've made it this far though, fam, you're gonna make it. You've gotten past the worst part of this, I promise. 17.1 cents just keeps coming into play. I'm still looking for a move up on Caspa eventually. Just eventually. Lord knows how long this will take. Right there in your weekly. What about 𝐓𝐫𝐚𝐝? Speaking of 𝐓𝐫𝐚𝐝, shout out to our sponsors, 𝐓𝐫𝐚𝐝, Meta Signals. Great trading tools. You can get free trials using my link. What's going on with this mainstream? Why only have 265 viewers on the mainstream, 120, 170 on the vertical? That's weird. We've never had that few. You know, I'm just not even gonna think about it. Whatever, who cares? We got the people who matter. Probably because I'm not bringing the energy. It's all right. Man. We got stopped out. I still think 15.6 cents is the entry. Looks like it's coming back down to it again. What about gold? 𝐂𝐨𝐿𝐞. We looked at gold. You love Lux? Me too, Ace Ventura. Me too. Bitcoin has no energy. I know. Maybe that's why I have no energy. It's not spicy enough. I know. It's mayo. It's mayo spice. Yeah, Caspa, dude, I think it still looks good, right? I still think it looks good. I just don't see like imminent craziness. Love to be wrong on that one. Despite getting stopped out on this long, I still think it's the play. I think I pulled up the older one. Let's see. That's the same chart. Still think that's the play. Is what it is. My lord, Corn. There's nothing like crappier for me than getting on, doing the intro and being like, everything looks like it's going down. Because I want things to go up. Let's see. 62.6. Let me pop open these trades. What's up, Stellar? How you doing, brother? I see you. I see you. I see people are subscribing despite me not noticing. Well done. Keep it up. Keep going. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, tap the screen, hit the like. Hopefully you guys can get me hyped up a little bit. That'd be good. I'll log into the exchange, which is being a dick. Not sending me the login email. Okay. Sure. It's just that kind of day, isn't it? Why are you not logging in, you bastard? I'm gonna give up. Dude, nothing's going my way. I tried to play that clip earlier of Caroline. That, like, for no reason, didn't have audio. Now I'm trying to log in. It's not letting me log in. It's like it doesn't want this stream to be spicy. All right, I give up. It won't log in. Is what it is. We're still going. What's next? Xano. What's that curve shifter? What's Xano? Team Bear. All right. What's up, Corn Sullied CMG? How you doing, man? Howdy. Recto Verso. Where there's an ascent, there's a descent. Bear. No PAL entries for Jan. Jan, you'll get PAL. Do I have a PAL chart? I do not. For Jen, anything. Jen's here all the time, holding it down, keeping the hype. Appreciate you. Appreciate all of you. Especially the people who tune in just day over day, no matter what. Spicy, not spicy. You keep me going. I've never looked at PAL before. I've played PAL World, but I've never looked at PAL. Let's take a peek. A lot of levels there on the month. A lot of monthly levels. You got a little bit of a reversal. I'll call it a higher high. $33. You're looking for entries? Let's see. I don't trust that rally. Something about this rally I don't trust. Maybe it's the wick high into the lower high into the red candle here today. Let's do this. 17.5. There you go. Let's see here. What's up, Juma? I see you subscribing. Mohammed Glauco Santos. Millions of happiness. Nice name. Daddy Katab. Welcome to the fam. Ganesh Akamolafe. What's up, dude? Bahav and Alpha Man. You got a lot of new subscribers. Keep them coming. You mentioned you have reservations about Caspa. Sorry, Sunships. I missed you. And 88. Dude, I'm missing everything. I'm missing everything. Let me do PAL and we'll do 88. But so my reservations about Caspa. I, of course, will tell you exactly my reservations. So there's a lot of new projects that come out all the time. I remain very skeptical on all of them, really, especially when they're a token, you know, generated out of nothing, not proof of work, basically. So Caspa came along, I don't know, like a year, 2 years ago, and I learned that it was proof of work, and I was like, that's really cool. That's really cool. And people said, oh, it's a fair origin. I said, all right, well, maybe this can be in my wheelhouse, right? I like Litecoin, Bitcoin, Doge, Digibyte, Monero, you know, anything that fits that category. I tend to like, because that's why I joined the space. So over the time, though, since then and now, I have heard claims from not just one source, but like multiple sources, that while Caspa is all of the things that I mentioned, that there was something in the earlier days of it where, and I'm paraphrasing here, maybe there was a reorg, or a reorg plus maybe something that's intrinsic to Caspa where they pruned the chain. So basically, without getting myself confused talking about it here, it appears, and I haven't confirmed this myself. I haven't, like, I don't know, whipped open the Block Explorer and done tons of hours of research. Maybe you guys know. It appears that there is a belief that Caspa's origin, or like the beginning, right, of the blockchain is no longer visible. And that has problems for me. That gives me problems. I own Caspa. Hell, I'll still take Caspa over whatever crap coin comes out, meme coin. But that's a big deal. The reason I like proof of work, the reason I like, you know, a certain set of coins is because I consider it fair. Everyone had a fair chance to get it. There's no advantage intrinsically. However, if you kind of muddy the early transactions in any way, it still could be fair. But if I can't prove it, then it doesn't hold that value that I have for other things. Does that make sense? Maybe I'm getting kind of ideas flowing, I don't know, crossed up here. It's not my area of expertise, but if we can't prove it's been fair, even if it has been, then it might as well not be, in my opinion. That's my reservation. I don't know. And hell, maybe those statements are wrong. Maybe that didn't happen. I don't know. I'm sure there's a 𝐓𝐫𝐚𝐝 expert out there that can explain it away for us. But that's why I've kind of withdrawn a little bit from the 𝐓𝐶 hype. A little bit. Just gonna see how it plays out. So for Gen PAL, I was looking at PAL. I think the 17.5 cents very attractive level. Nice 618 retracement. Right here, resistance. You moved higher. I think that this could play. I think this could print. Let's see how I might approach it. I know I placed this fib. Where'd it go? Yeah, the 0.5. I need another level. Maybe here, 37. Nothing really lines up here. I don't like that. Maybe here, 0.5, 33. All right, we'll do it this way. I can see this happening. I can see that being played. Damn, 20 cents though. You go to the week and you see this. You see 1, 2, 3, 4 candles here at 20 cents. And it's 20 cents. Resistance. Maybe this is where the rally stopped, right? I can see it this way. Let's do it like that. 3 to 1. I like it. Where'd it go? Oh, I like this. Take profit target. 200-day right here, coming on down to meet that 33 cents. I like that. All right, there you go. There's PAL for Gen, only because Gen. All right, let me look at these. Nice background. Thank you. I don't know what you're talking about, but thank you. Good spot, scalp long on Bitcoin. Is it? Is it? You might be right, but you might be wrong. Slow. I mean, I see this 5-minute trend. I see this losing momentum, but I don't have like anything concrete about like timing, how long that'll take. 10 minutes still doesn't look healthy. Maybe a little swing rejection on RSI. Nothing. Nothing for me today. Got nothing. All right, I got like a bunch of super chats I have to go back to. Hold up. Hold up. What's up, Michael 𝐂𝐨𝐻𝐿? Appreciate you, Ganesh. I swear it already did this one. Some of these names. Maybe it's just feeding them to me again. Pinch, I totally missed your super chat, my friend. Can you check out Lambo on that? Is Pinch still here? This guy. That's why I keep missing him. It's not popping up. Fair enough. Oh, you asked for 88 on the last stream. My bad. All right. I think I'm pretty caught up. I explained the reservations on 𝐓𝐶. I don't think I caught many of the replies, though. That's my opinion on ANKR, Milkman. What's up, Rotimi Michael? How you doing, bro? RX2Y GM. What's up, Janix? Tyler says Bitcoin since last time all-time high. Formed a big cup and handle. I think the target of his really cup handle will be 200, 300K. That's where I'm looking. I don't know. I've kind of given up on the where Bitcoin is going to top out next cycle guessing game. As it really is just a guessing game. I think I'm just going to default to this, even though I hope it goes higher. It's going to default to all-time high to bear market low. Well, previous all-time high. And just say 172, 300K. The cup and handle thing, I mean, sure. Sure, right? Yeah. I feel like everyone's saying that, though. This is the cup. You're claiming the handle is being painted. It's not a very unique thought. Love Tyler though. Love Tyler S Crypto. Good dude. AR. I think we looked at AR recently. Man, what a weird stream, dude. What is going on with this? Look at this. What is going on with this? This is so weird. We hit 332. I don't think we've ever had a stream with like this low concurrent. 260, 270. Got 160 likes. That's not bad. We've gone to much higher extensions in the past. Yep. And I wanted to go past them. I just said I'm done kind of with the guessing game of all-time highs. Because you look back and the all-time highs, the distance from the previous all-time high is becoming smaller. But at some point that math doesn't work. Like at some point it is so diminished that like your all-time high to next all-time high is nothing. And then what, like it just, I don't think it can be really described that way anymore. I don't know. I was looking for 300K in the last cycle. We didn't get 100K. Thank God that hour closed. Thank God. Your phone stream popped up instead of the regular one. Dude, I don't understand YouTube. It seems to only give out notifications for that one. I don't know, dude. What's up, Ace Jupiter subscribing? Joe Sua. How you doing, brother? Rocking the drum and bass all day, every day, brother. All day, every day. I feel like there was a request that I said I would do and then I forgot. CF is live and Jason Casper. Yeah, they're usually live. Like, they also are usually live, though. I don't know. You Beth methed up? Yeah, dude. Went to mobile also. Dude, you want to learn from me? I'm here every day. We're here Monday, Wednesday, and Friday live streaming, my friend. I have a free trading course on this channel. It's in a playlist. Just go open it up after the live. Grab it. CBK Wahoo. As time moves on, Bitcoin price will smooth out eventually. That's what they've said. We'll see. We'll see. I don't know. The one thing that I've really come to trust is that whatever we think is going to happen just isn't what happens. Don't know. People have been saying that for years. And I think there's an argument that it has smoothed out, at least over the last years. But then what happens? Maybe we get one crazy cycle and all of a sudden it's not, right? Just going off the bull div on the hour, 2 hour, and 3 hour, says Bean Juice. It's there. I mean, the setup is there. You have lower lows on RSI. You don't have lower lows on price yet. Quite yet. It is a hard thing to do, or maybe not a wise thing to do, in my opinion, to call divergence before, like, you actually see a reversal. So the 4 hour set up that way too. You got a lower low on RSI. You definitively don't have a lower low on other on price yet. 6 hours, same thing. It's like across all time frames, it seems. Even right here on the 12, you can make that argument. Probably need to see that 12 hour close though. I really just want this. If you missed the start of the stream, I just want this today. I want this close. Right here, 63.3. Kind of seems that's where price is moving up to right now. Oh, bitch, there we go. Kind of looks like that's what we're getting, right? Just right back to that daily to the bearish engulf line. Closing below this green dotted line, we have a bearish engulf in the day. Closing above, we have rejected it, but still a pretty red day overall. ADA NRK, sure. Yeah, ADA though, I said that and then I saw that the super chat was from 2 days ago for it. Wow. ANKR BTC. It looks pretty terrible. Honestly, I say terrible, but this is just like what all coins seem to do against Bitcoin. It's weird. Virtually every coin, there are some exceptions, virtually every coin against Bitcoin ends up painting this like super long descending channel. We haven't seen, at least to my knowledge, I don't think we've seen any do this. I don't think we've seen any like break out, go to new all-time highs. Versus BTC though, not a great look. I guess the upside, you're at the bottom of the channel. That does give you some room to gain against Bitcoin, but then you say, whoa, where are you going? Maybe you're just going to 50 sats here. You're at 48. That was your previous support. Maybe you just continue down. Let's look at the dollar pair though. So many of these longs got stopped by just a little bit, but have ended up being in the right direction. That is trolly. Trolley poly. Nice bullish engulf here setting up. Little bullish engulf on the month. Maybe that's why we're looking at ANKR. Looking for a close above 2.85 cents. You get that bully engulf, and you don't really have much in the way on a monthly time frame. You might find some resistance right here. That's about it. About 3.4 cents. What's up, new subscribers? Welcome, welcome, welcome. You did close a weekly at previous resistance, 2.85 or 0.285 cents, yeah. But also above your weekly August closes here. That is giving you a higher low into higher high. That is an uptrend. I've seen worse. That daily, I think, looks prime. Yeah, daily looks prime to go. You've already back tested. Now you're up, man. I think you got resistance above you. 3.9 cents. Big consolidation here on ANKR there before breaking down. Higher low, higher high. I mean, I think you do the stair step, right? Do something like this. Or son of a bitch. And KR will melt faces? Sure. 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 It's not my favorite chart, honestly. I don't like this low. Breaking the yearly low. This chart flipped red for the year briefly. I would be worried. So I don't know. I don't own this and have any skin in the game. I would be worried about a lower high here and then a return to about 2 cents. I'd be worried about that. Do not want to see it paint this. So far though, higher high, higher low, like on a macro, man. Yeah, I don't know. Where's this all-time high at? 21 cents. About 90% off. All right, I'm done with Anchor. Getting zoned out looking at it. No problem, brother. 𝐓𝐫𝐚𝐿, I have it pulled up, so sure. There you go. Interesting. I saw an article, 𝐓𝐫𝐚𝐿𝐼's account tweeted it today, by a BlackRock that stated, they said that Solana would reach half the market cap of Ethereum. I think Van Eck watches our channel. I think they watch our channel. I wouldn't doubt it. We have been looking for Solana to move to half of Ethereum's market cap for months, almost the entire year. Looking at 𝐶 here on the week, I just see agreement. Look at these weeklies, man. Top of your range, now you're flagging out. 𝐶 means business. Here's the caveat though. This doesn't mean that SOL has to go up in dollars. It doesn't actually mean that ETH has to go down either. It can be a combination, different combination of many things. We could see SOL gain and Ethereum stay stagnant. Or we could see SOL and Ethereum gain, but SOL just gains more. Or we could see SOL do nothing and Ethereum drop in value, half of its market cap or something. There's a lot of different kind of paths that lead to this move. I don't know which one it's going to take, but I do know that I believe SOL will move to half of Ethereum's market cap. Could take all year, could take next year, could be tomorrow. Who knows? I don't know how that looks. But it's interesting that VanEck said 50%. SOL closed higher yesterday. 150. Currently at 150. Might be able to play to 162. Maybe I started the short stream. Maybe I started the short stream too early today. Maybe that's why it's being weird. Wait, what? Can I still log in? Nope. It's not my day. Bitcoin heading back to that bearish engulf line on the day right here. Whoever called that said like whatever div, looking for a little upside. Looks like you were right. It's continuing. Like this, slowly coming up. Another higher low, but just not excitement time yet. 15-minute, please, please just give us a little upside. Drop the trend. I don't know what's up today. All right, screw you, exchange. I guess I won't log in. Womp. Would have been trading on WeX, but I can't seem to get it to log in right now. What else do we got here? AAVE, what's going on here? Hit our target, well, hit our box. Pullback, not too intense yet. I think AAVE has more upside. Render. Called it. Called it. On a render here. Told you guys if I was in this trade, I'd probably shave off here at 620 or 626. So far, so good. Although I do think Render's still looking for more upside. Maybe just a pit stop. Stewie. Stewie hit $1.78. Oh man, Stewie's going to $2. These are still on the table after 2, but I'm gonna remove them. This thing just rocketed. FTM slowed down at 68 cents. Maybe still looking for that 56-cent pullback. BNB is going back to all-time high. BNB breaks all-time high or goes back to all-time high, and Bitcoin hasn't. I think Bitcoin will follow quickly. Let's look at Ethereum. Man, we nailed these resistances. Ethereum, we were looking at 2,680. It hit 2,705 for like a 1% difference, and then sold off again. When will Ethereum have its day, I wonder? Its day was all of 2021. That was its day. Maybe a little bounce against Bitcoin. Not really, though. Let's see. The dollar having a day. Did trade almost down to new lows and then began to rocket back up once the market opened. Still no higher high, but dollar looks like it means business right now. CME gap sits below us, 60.1 to 60.3. Not a lot of change. I don't know who we looked at this for. Open. That TA working out, just trading sideways. Boring. Looked at these. Gold. Litecoin. I did post this. If you're not in our exclusive trading group in Discord, all you have to do is sign up with any of the links in the video description below or in the Discord, and you'll get access. I posted this Litecoin trade yesterday from right here, 66.30. At 67, so I guess it's up a little bit. Yay, Litecoin. Yay. What is Litecoin Bitcoin doing? AR. Someone was saying AR earlier. Let's take a peek. Definitely went the other way. Broke low, then went to the back top of the channel here. Man, today is rough. I'm rough today. AR is almost spicy. I mean, maybe it's about to get spicy. I don't really trust it below 26, currently at 23, 24. You got some kind of div on that low in the week. Yeah, man. Bam. Rhodium. I have no idea. Dixie on the daily looks like it's about to fall some more. Exactly what we all want. I mean, yeah, I want that. Can I check FET, Mr. Days? Yeah, pull up FET. If you're tuning in today for the first time, I apologize. I'm not at my best today. Feeling a little under the weather, but I'm pulling through. It's not being so spicy for me. Oh. I know that there was a trade place there. There it is. There it is. Get wrecked. Get riggedy wrecked. 80 cents filled with the wick. Let's go. I'm glad you asked about FET. Filled with the wick. Trade to 71. Very nice. Very nice. Little inverse head and shoulders setting up here on the day. Might see a back test of 150. Daily's just rolling over. I like it. This chart looks good. This chart looks very good. Wow. Doge, a little shooting star, whatever you want to call it, morning star. Reversal, higher high. I think FET's going back to $2. That could happen this month. Right back to that monthly support. What else we got here? I accidentally pulled Netflix up. You know what, guys? I never do this. I never do this. Here's what you should do. You should join the Discord. You should subscribe. You should like the live. You should join us Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. We're gonna be live again Friday. For live trading content. I couldn't get the exchange open for no apparent reason. My computer's being very weird the last few days. I'm worried it's about to go. You should join the Discord, discord.gg/TomCrown, and you should join us again on Friday when hopefully I will be at full power. And hopefully so will the corn. I'm going to cut it here. I know, man, it's unlike me. Unlike me. But I want to thank all the new subscribers today. You guys rock. I don't know what the hell went on with this live stream. I don't understand. 265 live viewers. That's the lowest amount we've had. I don't know, this year maybe. Something like that. Shout out to everyone who did join though. It's probably my fault because I'm not vibing. But man, shout out to you guys. I love you. Join the Discord. I'll be in there chatting. And yeah, join us again Friday. That's all for today.